Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Neon Heart Eye Edit. Before starting the tutorial, download the Neon Heart overlay and audio from description. First, import your clip to the Capcut. You can download this video from description, then extract its audio.
Won't you let my darling?
Now mark the main beat. Come to this point and add a mark. Now click on Freeze Effect to freeze the frame. Delete rest of the video clip and expand freezed clip. Now take your freezed image to the overlay. Import the overlay. You won't see any changes, but wait a minute. Now let's remove background. Go to Remove Background Effect and simply remove the background easily. Increase the scale of overlay and make it fit on the screen. Make volume 0 of overlay clip and simply export it. Now open Alight Motion for masking and shake effect. Open New Project and add just exported clip. Extract the audio first. And again mark the beat. Come to this timer 509. And split the clip. Now zoom your project by using 2 fingers. Zoom to her eye so that we can create a proper masking. Now open Vector Drawing. You can see one cursor in the screen is moving when you swipe to this area. Take this cursor to the one point of eye and just tap once on this square area. It will create a line path when you move your finger. By that, create a shape, same like your eye. Do carefully. It's too easy. Try it once. After that, match the masking layer timing with the main layer. Select masking layer and main layer, then merge it by clicking on this third icon. Now you can see your eye has been disappear. Add the same overlay again. Don't forget to subscribe. Decrease its size and take near to the eye. Beautiful! Select all the layer and group them together. Come to Mark and add keyframe on scale. Add another keyframe at 420 and at last. In the middle keyframe, increase the scale little much. Add one beat mark at 823. Add a keyframe on scale and increase the scale. Give this type of graph. Don't play the video, it lagged a lot. Now let's add shake effect. Export this clip first.
Won't you let my
Now come back, and if you want, you can duplicate this project. Otherwise, delete the group and add just exported clip. Don't forget to mute the audio of the video clip. Split the clip on second mark, which is our main beat. To add shake effect, first add tiles effect. Turn on mirror and add oscillate. Change angle to 90 and frequency to 0.50. And magnitude 20. Mute the video layer as I said before. Now add exposure and gamma. Give to keyframe on exposure, one at starting and another at third beat mark. At starting keyframe, change exposure to 1.32. Now add random displacement. Give to keyframe on magnitude 1 at starting and another at third beat. Same like before. And make magnitude 0 at last keyframe, change evolution to 0.20. And go to seed and give to keyframe. Change seed to 0.50 at first keyframe. give this same type of graph on both phi and magnitude. Add motion blur. Now add last effect, swing. Change frequency to 0.50. Your video is almost ready. Add one more mark at 7.1. Copy all the effect and split the clip. Now delete all the effect from second clip and paste new effect. Yeah, now your video is ready. If you want to give fade out effect, you can give that too. Just give to keyframe on blending and change the opacity of second keyframe.
Won't you let my darling know that I see forever in your eyes? I feel okay.
Now simply export your clip. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this tutorial will help you a lot.